This lesson is Math Lesson 1.3, Putting Together. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to say, I can use models and draw putting two groups together. So here's our first problem. I have 4 red pencils and 3 blue pencils. How many pencils do I have? So I'm going to model how many pencils I have. So I have 4 red pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for my blue pencils, I'm going to use my yellow counters. I have 1, 2, 3 blue pencils. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 pencils altogether. But now I also need to be able to draw what my model shows. This is Math Lesson 1.3, Putting Together. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to say to yourself, I can use models and draw putting two groups together. So our first problem we have is, I have 4 red pencils and 3 blue pencils. How many pencils do I have? So I'm going to use a model to show how many pencils I have. It says I have 4 red, so I'm going to use 4 counters, 1, 2, 3, 4, to represent my 4 red pencils. It says I have 3 blue pencils, so I'm going to use 1, 2, 3 yellow counters to show my blue pencils. And I'm going to count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 pencils altogether. So I modeled my problem. So now I'm going to be able to draw, I need to be able to draw a picture of it. So for each circle, I'm going to take my crayon and draw 4 circles for those 4 red pencils. And I'm going to do the same for my 3 blue pencils. 1, 2, 3. So now I'm going to write a number sentence. I have 4 red pencils plus 3 blue pencils, and that's going to equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 pencils altogether. So this right here is my number sentence that represents the problem: 4 red pencils and 3 blue pencils. Our next problem says there are 5 blue trucks and 2 green trucks. How many trucks are there? So first, I'm going to model how many I have. I have 5 blue, so I'm going to put up 5 red counters for the 5 blue. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have 2 green. So I'm going to put up 2 yellow counters for my 2 green trucks. So it says I'm going to figure out how many trucks there all are together. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 trucks all together. Now, I also need to be able to make a model. So I'm going to draw how many trucks that are blue and green. So my model, I need 5 blue trucks. So I'm going to draw 5 red circles or counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to draw for my 2 green ones 2 green trucks right there. So now I'm going to write my number sentence. I know I have 5 blue trucks plus 2 green trucks equals 7 trucks all together. And we'll do one last problem together. So, it says there are 6 flowers and 3 more flowers. How many flowers? So I need to know how many flowers we have all together. So, what is the first thing that I'm going to do? If you said make a model, you are correct. So I'm going to make a model. I'm going to put out 6 flowers. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 more flowers. 1, 2, 3. After I make my model, what do I do next? If you said, write the answer, you are correct, or you can draw your model also. I'm going to draw my model first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We go 5 across, and then we put our 6th one underneath the first one to make it nice and even and look like a 10 frame. And then I'm going to do my 3 more in yellow. 1, 2, 3. So, after I draw my model, what am I going to do next? If you said write the numbers, you are correct. So I have 6 flowers that I started with, plus how many more? If you said 3, you are correct. I have 3 more flowers. What comes next? If you thought it was an equal sign, good job. Now we have to figure out our answer. So how many do we have altogether? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you said 9, great job. What did we come up with? Oh, our answer is there are 9 flowers. So our answer is 9 flowers. Awesome job working today.